Welcome to the Interactive Atlas. This demonstration will cover the string of pearls, which is another common type of graph from the Atlas series, using the Atlas landing page for diabetes complications as an example. There is usually one graph that looks at SA3 rates by state and territory, and another by remoteness and socioeconomic status. SES is a ranking from 1 to 5 based on geographic areas. It is a measure of relative disadvantage. An area classified as SES level 1 means its population is in the bottom 20% of areas living with the greatest overall level of disadvantage. On the other hand, SES level 5 means that that area experiences the least amount of disadvantage and hence belong to the highest socioeconomic group. We will look at the rates by state and territory diabetes graph in this demonstration. The size of the symbol reflects the number of events for an SA3. The vertical axis shows the age and sex standardized rate. SA3s under the same state or territory are grouped together using the same color. Hover over a data point for further information. This horizontal line that spans the entire figure shows the standardized rate for Australia. State or territory rates are also marked as shown. In this graph, the rate for Northern Territory was much higher compared to those reported in other states and territories. To focus on a specific SA3, use the drop-down box at the bottom of the graph. And that is a quick overview of the string of pearls graph. For more information, please refer to How to Interpret Our Data Visualizations starting on page 33 of the 4th Australian Atlas of Healthcare Variation. Thank you.